Where you going? Where you going? Where you going? You trying to crawl? Is that what you're trying to do? You're like, yeah, Dad, I do what I want. Rawr. Where you going? You trying to crawl away? Luckily, you can only turn. What are you doing over there? You trying to get the donkey? Did you just burp? What are you doing? I'll go get my donkey, Dad. I'll go get my donkey. Yes, must destroy during tummy time. Oh. Yeah? Is that what you're doing? You're like, I'm gonna do what I want, Dad. In my tummy time. What are you doing? You gonna get your panda now? No? I mean, turning still counts as crawling, y'all. Where you going? You hit a wall? I do what I want, man. I do what I want. What are you doing? What? What? You trying to do Supermans? What are you doing? You trying to do Supermans? Rawr. You want your donkey? Yeah, and you're teething. So you're drooling everywhere. Alright, you ready to go get some milk? You want to get some milk? Milk? Alright, let's go do that.